illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a parrot surfing. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and we'll get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our parrot surfing. All right, what we're going to do is we're actually going to start off with the beak of our parrot, okay? So we're going to start with a little curved line. And we'll bring that down and back up to a point. We'll add an open mouth here into a smile. And from there, we're going to start adding on the rest of our parrot's face with an eye. We're going to put one eye basically on top of the beak. And the other eye is going to be next to it over here. And we'll fill in with two pupils here. One. And two. Okay, so we have this great parrot face. Now it needs a head. So we're going to start off by adding that on next. So along here above this eye, we're just going to draw a diagonal line. And we're basically creating like a point on top. We'll add a couple feathers here on this side. And we'll end up doing that same thing on the other side, a couple feathers over here as well. We're going to add a little straight line, and then we're going to curve all the way around and end on the other side here to create this fun shape for our parrot's head. Now, one of my favorite things about parrots are their feathers, of course. So on the very tip top of our parrot's head, we're going to add a couple more feathers. All right, now since our parrot is going to be in motion, its body is going to be slightly curved around. So from these 2 points, we're going to start our parrot's body. All right, so we're going to do diagonal lines this way. One there and one there. And we're going to connect these 2 lines with another curve. Now, like I was saying, my favorite thing about parrots are their feathers. So we're going to do 2 wings that are going to be stretched out because, again, our parrot is surfing, so his arms are going to need to be definitely stretched out so that he can keep his balance. So we're going to make 2 feathery wings. Lots of curved lines here. This will be so much fun to color in here in a little bit. All right, and the second wing. And you could, of course, add a couple additional curves in here for a few details. All right, and the tail feathers, we definitely need some tail feathers as well. All right, now since our parrot is surfing, we've got to put its feet sitting on the surfboard here. So we're going to do 2 curved legs. There's one. And 2. And we're going to want parrot's feet next. One foot on that side And the other foot will be on this side. All right, so now we can position the surfboard so that it's underneath of our parrot. What we want to do is we want to create a curved line that goes all the way across here, but it will actually be behind our parrot. So we're going to start with a curved line, and we'll take a break here at both of the legs so that the line looks like it's behind the parrot. The end of the surfboard here. And since this parrot's going to be surfing, we're not going to see the entire surfboard. So the bottom edge of the surfboard is actually going to be made up of waves, so water that's being splashed up over top of our surfboard. So we'll just start with a series of really fun curved lines. And again, this will be a ton of fun to color here in a minute. So some cool waves with some splashes of water. And you can add some additional wave lines here. Lots of water splashing up. And what this also does is it creates a very active scene. When water is moving, you don't just have straight lines. You have really fun curved lines. You have little bits of water that's being splashed around, and that's what we want. Another way to show motion is through action lines, and we'll add a couple of those here around our parrot. So around some of the wings, you can add some up top. But this shows that this parrot is definitely in motion and it is moving around. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our parrot surfing. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our fun parrot surfing illustration. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators! I hope that you had a ton of fun drawing those silly parrots. I know I did. So I hope to see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!